Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to have the guidelines for the research presentation for JIRS for JHS Year 5. What is the purpose of presenting your research? First one is that you share now the result of your paper in a way that people could hear and could see what are your results and finding in your research. And this is also an opportunity to improve your paper because it is a continuous process of what we follow the problem and solution cycle. In presenting now your research, here are the following parts. First one is the title and the authors. So you write now the title and the authors. And then working on the content of the presentation, we started with the introduction, followed by the method, significant results, reflection, conclusion, recommendation, and references. In the introduction part, we include now the background of the study. When we say background of the study, we tell why the research is being done. And then research question are also known as the statement of the problem. Following the background of the study is that we work on with the method. We declare the following components of the method such as the design, participant or respondents, instrument, process, data analysis, and AI declaration. So those are the parts of your method in your presentation. After the method, we present now our result and discussion. Now in the result, we do it per SOP or statement of the problem. We present first the table or the model that will be in the presentation, and then you put it in your script, the interpretation and the discussion. As my style, I don't put a lot of words in my presentation. I just do it by bullet. At this opportunity, after working with the result and the discussion, you put now your reflection. The reflection or the story of the challenges encountered in your research, such as the methodological challenges and result challenges. You tell here what are you encounter problems or challenges while doing now the research. Going to the latter part of the presentation, we work on with the conclusion. The conclusion is the significant statement that answer the objective of the research. After declaring now your conclusion, we work on with the recommendation. And the recommendation in the GS for GHS is the table that you've done in your recommendation where there are issues, action, people involved, and then the last would be your some references or remarks on that table. To end the presentation, you put now the list of your references that would fit on the slides or on your presentation. So the references is important to give credibility of your research. What are your sources or what have you cited in your research? Again, this is the guidelines for your research presentation. Hoping you could work on with your presentation within the 12 minutes time and don't put a lot of words as much as possible. You put some points or like bulleted when you're presenting now your research in every part of the research presentation. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.